Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hancock County in central Kentucky, west central Breckinridge County in central Kentucky, northeastern Ohio County in central Kentucky, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Hawesville, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hawesville, Cloverport, Forbesville, Goring, Pelville, Victoria Crossroads, Floral, Patesville, Tar Fork, and Cabot. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a special weather statement for the following counties and is located near Prospect, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Linden, LaGrange, Middletown, Douglas Hills, Prospect, Anchorage, Worthington Hills, Barber Mead. The severe thunderstorm warning for Central Clark County will expire at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The storm which prompted the warning has...
For anyone who's wondering, here's the outcome of what you just saw. Yeah, look at that. Screen's freaking out. There's the lines all on the screen. Look at that. You see, kids, this is why you don't do stupid stuff, because this is going to be the outcome.